Click on the link below to get price. The Canon RF24 to 70mm f/2. 8L is USM lens is an exceptional piece of equipment that caters to both professional photographers and serious enthusiasts. With a versatile focal length range of 24 to 70mm, it covers a broad spectrum of photography styles, from landscapes to portraits. The constant f/2. 8 aperture allows for excellent low-light performance and beautiful background blur, making it ideal for capturing stunning images in various conditions. The lens construction is impressive, featuring a robust build quality typical of Canon's L-series lenses. The weather-sealed design ensures that it can withstand challenging environments, making it suitable for outdoor shooting. The lens is also equipped with an image stabilization (IS) system that compensates for camera shake, allowing for sharper handheld shots, particularly at slower shutter speeds. The autofocus performance is quick and silent, thanks to the USM Ultrasonic Motor technology. This feature is particularly beneficial for videographers, as it minimizes focus noise during recording. The lens also delivers exceptional image quality, characterized by sharpness across the frame and minimal distortion, even at the widest apertures. Chromatic aberration is well controlled, providing clean and vibrant images. Pairing this lens with a filter kit enhances its versatility even further. A polarizing filter can help reduce glare and reflections, making it useful for outdoor photography, while UV filters can protect the lens from dust and scratches without affecting image quality. The ability to easily switch filters allows photographers to adapt to various shooting scenarios. One minor drawback might be its size and weight, as it is a bit bulkier compared to other standard zoom lenses. However, the quality of the optics and the performance it delivers more than compensates for this. In summary, the Canon RF24 to 70mm f/2. 8L is USM lens, combined with the filter kit, offers a superb combination of versatility, durability, and exceptional image quality, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about photography.